everyone. I welcome you all again on the YouTube channel of TechUgate classes. So my name is Moi Teacher, and this is all about me. I have covered one of the subject in the machining and machine tool operations on this platform. Okay, some topics are remaining, so I will cover that soon. And but today's my lecture is not based on the subject. Okay, but today's lecture is based on the how to write the synopsis. Okay, basically I'm doing this video because many students on the YouTube as well as those who knows me personally, they are also messaging, sir, whatever the things that you have initiated, we are following that one, but did we get the good rank, means will we get the good rank? Okay, so nobody can guarantee for that, you okay, because that needs a lot of things. Okay, complete dedication is required. Okay, a critical thinking when you are doing the numerical problems, how you are thinking about that. Okay, means critical thinking. And what is your how you are preparing for the examination, like whether you are making some short notes or not, something like that. Okay, so many things is required for that. Okay, and still that depends. Okay, throughout the year you have prepared, but last day is definitely it will be required that how the last day is going, you are going through that. Okay, so but today's lecture is based on the how to write the synopsis, and this lecture is not means whatever I'm going to discuss with you is not randomly picked. That is based on my own experience as well as the experience or the information that I'm getting from the candidates, those who are clearing not only GATE examination but UPSC examinations with the good ranks. Okay, so on the basis of that, mine own as well as number of students, on the basis of that I'm making this video. Okay, so once again I welcome you all on the Let's Crack the Gate along with the TechU faculties. So let's start. So first, this slide is for the students, those who don't know the meaning of synopsis. Okay, so नहीं जानते हैं तो उसके लिए क्या कर सकते हैं, गूगल कर लेते हैं. तो चलिए गूगल करिए, गूगल में लिखिए सिनॉप्सिस मीनिंग. ठीक है, synopsis meaning. ठीक है, so synopsis meaning लिख लिया. Now just enter it. So when you will enter it, you will get the meaning of that. So that is the like this one. What we are getting, sorry, what we are getting, that is a brief summary or general survey of something. देखिए survey को तो छोड़ देते हैं हम लोग. They civil engineers they knows it very well. But हम लोग discussion करते हैं brief summary पे. ठीक है, तो synopsis का मतलब क्या है कि brief summary. Now brief summary किसके बारे में? ठीक है, वट एवर द थिंग्स दैट यू हैव स्टडीड, फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल द सब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, एक और चीज मैं थोड़ा सा बता दूं यहाँ पे कि वट एवर द एग्जाम्पल दैट आई विल टेक, दैट इज बेस्ड ऑन द मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग बिकॉज आई एम फ्रॉम दैट बैकग्राउंड. ओके, बट इफ यू आर फ्रॉम अदर बैकग्राउंड it doesn't affect you because I'm taking just these are just for an example only. Okay, so if I'm what you have to write a brief summary of what, that is the subject that you have studied. Okay, or you have gone through that. Okay, so whenever like so that's the thing you have to prepare. So let's write the synopsis. Okay, so when you will go for the writing for the synopsis, you have to there are number of subjects. For an example, if I'm a mechanical engineer, then there are number of subjects like basic thermodynamics, heat transfer, RSE, machine design, manufacturing. Okay, industrial engineering, many things. Okay, apart from this also many are available. So if I'm good in heat transfer, for an example, so I am picking a good book. Okay, Sachdeva, then what I feel that for the mechanical engineers or for the heat transfer especially, so I pick that book and I'm reading through that, and first I covered the conduction, then convection, then radiation, then heat exchanger, then transient flow, something like that. Okay, so I'm just following and I'm going through the concepts and I'm writing the formula for that. And what if when I'm going through the numerical problems, if any concept I did not found during this while did a study about the theory part, then I also can write from this numerical problems. Okay, so that concept is also covered. So like this, I have to prepare the synopsis. Okay, for this was for the heat transfer. Similarly, I have to do for the other subjects. And when you will do it, okay, so this will be the final synopsis. Okay, so don't think that this is your synopsis. Okay, right now the synopsis that you have prepared, because this synopsis you are preparing when two cases. First, either you are in final year of the BTech, because in that case also at least one time during the semester you have studied the courses. So obviously when you are in final year, that time you are reading these subjects second time, so that time you are preparing. or if you have already completed your BTech, then a complete year which is free, you are free in that. Okay, so that time you are preparing, so that is the second or third time maybe you are studying that subject. Okay, so when you will prepare this synopsis, don't think that this will be your synopsis. Whatever the synopsis that will write, this will be the your synopsis. Okay, बहुत छोटा नहीं होगा, बहुत बड़ा होगा, ठीक है। जो आपकी जो मैक्सिमम साइज बुक होगी, the synopsis, whatever the synopsis that you have written from the different subjects, it will be equal to that or lesser than that. Okay, but approximately equal, ठीक है। तो आपको इससे आप अब इतनी बड़ी तो बुक आप लेके नहीं जाएंगे, ठीक है। अगर मान लीजिए कि सिनॉप्सिस बना भी क्यों रहे हैं, लाइक फॉर द क्विक रिवीजन। क्विक रिवीजन का मतलब है कि लाइक फॉर एन एग्जांपल टुमारो, फॉर एन एग्जांपल जस्ट think that tomorrow is the 14th of Feb, okay, and 9 a.m. I have the examination. So from today 13th onwards, मतलब 9 a.m. onwards, I do not have to touch any of the subject or any of the book that I have studied from. Okay, I will just, there is two ways. First is I can just recall the thing. Okay, I just recall the things, means I do not have anything in hands, and just I'm recalling, okay, this is the heat transfer, that is the conduction, that is the basic thermodynamics, okay, that is the isothermal, that is a adiabatic flow, and all these things. So I'm just recalling. But what will happen that when you will recall the things, first is like you are increasing your own pressure, you are increasing the pressure of your mind. Okay, and that is not good for the next day. Another is there is a possibility that you will forget the important formulas during this time. Okay, when you are recalling the concept, like आप एक घंटे से 2 घंटे से ज्यादा आप रिकॉल नहीं कर सकते चीजों को, ठीक है। देयर इज सम लिमिटेशन ऑफ योर माइंड एज वेल, तो everything will not cover. So what we can do is we can write the synopsis. But when you have written the synopsis, अगर आपकी synopsis इतनी बड़ी है तो आप उसको लेके कैसे जाएंगे, मतलब वो 24 आवर भी आपने तो एक बुक के बराबर बना दिया, how you will study that. Okay, तो आपको, if now this is your matlab first, when you have completed your subject or first revision, okay, for an example you have completed first your completed subject, then whatever the synopsis that will write, that will be your, this will be your synopsis. So now what you have to do, you have to reach up to here. So what you have to do for that, you have to decrease the synopsis one by one. So how you will that do that? Okay, so this will happen with the repetitive revisions. Okay, repetitive revisions means, for an example, like now is May, okay, May 2021, and next exam is GATE 2022. So after 10 months, most probably 9 to 10 months. So like just think that once you should decide that I'm preparing for the GATE examination and I have to choose like within first 4 months I will complete all the subjects. Okay, so first 4 months if you are completing your subjects, then along with that means you have written some synopsis. The first synopsis you have written over here. Now when you are going for the second revision, so for the second revisions, just try to manage, just try to reduce the time of this revision for half of what you have studied previously. Means आप अगर अपने first time आपने 4 months में अगर subjects cover किए हैं, then when you are going for the first revision, just try to manage it in 2 months only. Okay, so this is the first revision, and here you will make the second synopsis. सेकंड सिनॉप्सिस अगर मान लीजिए नहीं बनाते हैं, तो फर्स्ट सिनॉप्सिस जो आपके पास अवेलेबल है, जैसे जैसे आप सब्जेक्ट्स को पढ़ते जाएंगे उसमें क्या करते जाइए, उसको हाईलाइट करते जाइए, ठीक है। तो दिस विल बी लाइक 2 month रिवीजन. Again go for the second revision. So second revision again it will take the half time of this one. So again this was you completed in 2 months, so just complete in 1 month. So this is the second revision. Okay, so now here just manipulate the synopsis, मतलब या तो नहीं लिखिए या फिर क्या करिए कि अगेन इसमें मान लीजिए आपने ब्लू से लाइट हाईलाइट करके लिखा था चीजों को, तो उसमें क्या करिए कि पिंक ले लीजिए या फिर अदर कोई हाइलाइटर ले लीजिए, मेक द थर्ड सिनॉप्सिस. ओके, थर्ड सिनॉप्सिस आप उसमें भी चेंजेस कर सकते हैं या फिर नए भी लिख सकते हैं. देखिए ये चेंजेस इसमें क्या होगा कि चेंजेस इसमें ये होती जाती है कि आप जब देखिए फॉर एन एग्जांपल फ्लूइड मैकेनिक्स और हीट ट्रांसफर में जब बाउंड्री लेयर थ्योरी जो है हीट ट्रांसफर का और जो हीट फ्लो है, ठीक है, जब हम पढ़ते हैं तो दोनों के जो कंसेप्ट है वो सेम है, फॉर्मूला थोड़े बहुत डिफरेंट है बट जो कंसेप्ट है वो सेम है. तो आप वहां पे चीजों को मर्ज कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट ट्वाइस द सेम थिंग. जहां पे आपको एक वेलोसिटी कंसीडर करना है तो दूसरे में आपको सिर्फ टेम्परेचर ही कंसीडर करना है, ठीक है. या फिर मान लीजिए कि जब मान लीजिए कि आप आईसी इंजन पढ़ते हैं तब आप सारे ग्राफ्स जो है साइकिल्स बनाते हैं, तो एट दैट टाइम मतलब बेसिक थर्मोडायनेमिक्स में जो आपने सारे साइकिल्स पहले बनाए हैं, नाउ यू डू नॉट हैव टू मेक दिस साइकिल अगेन एंड अगेन, ओके, बिकॉज दैट टाइम यू हैव कवर्ड। तो इस तरह से क्या होगी, आपकी सिनॉप्सिस जो है वो कम होती जाती है, ठीक है। तो कम होती जाएगी, तो आप यहाँ पे आप 1 मंथ पे आ चुके हैं, नाउ गो फॉर द थर्ड रिवीजन, ओके। थर्ड रिवीजन विल बी हाफ मंथ, मतलब 15 days। तो देखिए दिस विल बी द थर्ड रिवीजन एंड नाउ हियर यू विल राइट द फोर्थ सिनॉप्सिस। नाउ 4 months, 2 months, that is 6 plus 7, okay, plus half, मतलब 7.5 month। और अगर आपके पास इसके बाद भी अगर टाइम बच जाता है, then you can go again 15 days, but generally it's difficult because as I said that right now it's May and only 10 months, 9 to 10 months are remaining, तो 7 month तो यही हो गए, ठीक है। अब आपको जो भी आपके हमने फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं वो भी हमें सेलिब्रेट करना है, ठीक है। सो you will get this time only, okay, 6 to 7 months। So you should plan your study accordingly, okay, so that at least you should go 4 to 5 times of the revision, so that that synopsis can be reduced, okay. So then only you will reach from here to here, okay, and at the end when your synopsis will very small, you will fly with that for any of the examination when you are going for the examinations, okay। देखिए why I am forcing you to you should go for the synopsis part, because like I was appeared in 2012, basically I was appeared one of the state public service commission examination, means AEN paper was there, and like I was cleared the this objective part, and when I was gave the second conventional part, okay, conventional में आपका 4 papers थे वहाँ पे, like first was Hindi English, second was based on the environmental, and third fourth was based on the mechanical, just subject was divided, okay। So when the result came, I saw the result that I was not, I got that I was not selected, just I just gone through the marks, because first 2 paper was just you have to qualify that, okay। So in the second paper, basically in the English I qualified, second paper I just uh, because of 2 marks I was not qualified that, okay। And when I was really disappointed that within these 2 marks, basically how it can be possible, okay। So because for that subject I did not prepare the synopsis, okay, and when I saw, like, okay, because I prepared the synopsis in the technical part only, because I was that time I was preparing for the gate or engineering services, okay। So when I saw the result of the mechanical branches, matlab there was like 200 plus 200 400, the marks total third and fourth paper was out of 40 400, okay। So I just, when I gone through the marks of these 2 paper na, I found that I got 385 marks out of 400, okay। So basically I just, there was like list was available that first in first rank in this Hindi, first rank in environmental, first rank in technical. So I got the first rank in the technical part, but I did not clear that exam, because that was minimum qualification was at least you have to clear all the examinations, okay। But the second rank was 312 marks, so like you see this 73 marks gap, okay, because in technical I was ready for that time, because I was preparing the synopsis, but for the environmental I did not prepare the synopsis, that's why I did not get that marks। And देखिए मैं आपको ये समझा रहा हूँ, तो इसकी वैल्यू जो क्वालिफाई नहीं होते हैं या फिर 1 से 2 मार्क्स से रह जाते हैं, वो इस वैल्यू को बहुत अच्छे समझ पाएंगे, ठीक है। तो मैं नहीं चाहता हूँ कि यू शुड आल्सो फील एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, मींस व्हेन यू विल गेट द रिजल्ट यू शुड बी हैप्पी, okay। So that's why we are doing it for you, okay। So when you will prepare the synopsis, this will be the final day of any of the examinations, okay। So you can fly with that, okay। There's in market also there are number of books are available in which the formulas are written, but देखिए जो उन books को लेता है ना, those who are अगर आप उसको पूरे साल कभी नहीं पढ़ते हैं, तो आप उसको एट द एंड भी ले जाके कुछ नहीं करने वाले हैं, ठीक है। सो बेटर है कि अगर आपको पढ़ना ही है, तो अगर आप प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं, देन यू शुड प्रिपेयर योर ओन सिनॉप्सिस एंड ट्राई टू मैक्सिमाइज इट फर्स्ट, ओके। जितना आप लिख सकते हैं उतना लिखिए, देन ट्राई टू रिड्यूस इट, ओके। पहले आप सिनॉप्सिस, ऐसा नहीं कि आपकी सिनॉप्सिस अगर ऐसी आ गई इसका मतलब आपने कुछ भी नहीं लिखा है उसमें, ठीक है। आपकी सिनॉप्सिस जो होगी वो पहली पहली इतनी ही होंगी, ठीक है। देन इट विल रिड्यूस time by time when you will go for the repetitive revisions, okay। So this will be the your synopsis, okay। Now अभी तक जो मैंने डिस्कस किया आपके साथ, उसमें मैंने आपसे ऑनलाइन लर्निंग की बात नहीं की थी, that was completely based on my own experience, ओके एंड माय ओन एक्सपीरियंस वाज मैं 2011-12 मतलब आज से 10 साल पहले जो सिचुएशंस थी मैंने वो आपके साथ शेयर की है, ठीक है। बट नाउ द थिंग्स हैज चेंज फ्रॉम 5 टू फ्रॉम पास्ट 5 to 6 years. Now the platform has changed offline to online, and now because this pandemic situations also, not only the engineering students but बच्चे भी आज तो आजकल तो मोबाइल पे ही पढ़ रहे हैं, ठीक है। सो देयर आपने क्या है कि बुक्स को तो कर दिया है साइड, ठीक है। ये यहाँ पे क्या है कि बुक्स हो गई यहाँ पे साइड, ठीक है। अब now if you are going through a mobile phone, if you have a mobile phone and you are going through the videos, then what will happen कि स्पेशली ये उनके लिए है जो हॉस्टल्स में रहते हैं, ठीक है। तो हॉस्टल्स में अगर जो स्टूडेंट्स रहते हैं उनकी सिचुएशंस क्या है कि मान लीजिए कि आप कोई वीडियो देख रहे हैं, फॉर एन एग्जांपल यू आर लर्निंग समथिंग एंड फ्रेंड्स का मैसेज आ गया कि लाइक पिज्जा हैज बीन अराइव्ड, ठीक है। तो देखिए इसमें फ्रेंड की कोई गलती नहीं है, ठीक है, कि उसने पिज्जा ऑर्डर किया, बिकॉज इसमें गलती जो है वो मेस के खाने की है, ठीक है। तो नो डाउट है यू विल गो थ्रू दैट, यू विल गो टू ईट टू दैट पिज्जा, और उसके बाद जो होता है वो तो सभी जानते हैं, ठीक है। तो देखिए दिस इज द डिस्टर्बेंस, बेसिकली डिस्टर्बेंस तो है चाहे किसी की भी वजह से हो। तो इसमें क्या है कि देखिए या तो आप अगर इफ यू आर वाचिंग इन अ मोबाइल फोन देन यू कैन लाइक यू कैन डाउनलोड द वीडियोस एंड आफ्टर दैट जस्ट टर्न ऑफ द मोबाइल डेटा एंड यू कैन वॉच, सो देयर विल बी नो डिस्टर्बेंस। एंड इफ you are unable to download or okay, so that what you can do is just open the hotspot, and if you have the laptop just connect with that and just watch the videos in the laptop only, and also that time just turn off that wave WhatsApp, okay, so there will be no notification. So just keep the mobile phone aside and just go through the videos. Now अब वीडियोस की जब बात आती है तो which platform we have to choose, तो देखिए इसमें तो मैं अपने चैनल की बढ़ाई करूंगा, because we are trying our best to do it for the students, those who are especially belong to the rural areas. Okay, so it will be benefited. We are doing our best so that will be benefited to them. Okay, not only the rural areas but those who are watching these videos, we want that it should be benefited to them. Okay, so you can just subscribe our channel, that is a tech faculties. Let's break the gate. Okay, and just go through the playlist. Okay, so when you will go to the playlist, there will be like recently we have started for the five core branches: first electronics and communication, civil engineering, electrical engineering, computer science, and the mechanical. PI students can also join this along with the mechanical, because 90% of the syllabus is same. For the 10% we are looking for the faculty members, they will also join us soon, so that will be covered. So PI student can also join. Okay, so once so what you have to do is why I was talking about this channel, because there is like different like if you will go for the मैं मैकेनिकल का हूँ तो मैं मैकेनिकल से बात कर लेता हूँ, like there is a strength of material by Manish sir, this is machining and machine tool by me, and casting Devyanshu sir syllabuses subjects are available, these playlists are there. Okay, and you can go through the different videos one by one. We have also started two more subjects, that is heat transfer and the uh, material science, okay, for the mechanical, or for other as well. There are different subjects are going on, so you can just follow the videos. Along with that you should write your own synopsis and just try to go for the once this 4 months is completed, complete syllabus you have completed within this 4 months. After that you should plan your first revision of for the 2 months only. Okay, and we will also thinking means we are also trying our best to complete everything within this 4 months, and we should also move along with you. Okay, means once we will complete this 4 months, after that we will bring that how you should cover the revision part within 2 months. Okay, so for that also we'll bring the videos. Okay, so at the end this is like synopsis size is decreasing. Okay, please ये थोड़ी बड़ी है तो कुछ चीजें ऐड हो सकती हैं बीच में, ठीक है। तो again ये small है, now it will be your final synopsis. Okay, so these are our social media platform, so you can follow us over there, and this is the mail ID for us. So if you have any queries you can write us, and thank you so much guys for joining this session. I hope that every one of you enjoyed this. Thank you.